chapter 2, that is flow of fluids. So in flow of fluids, mainly here the important part is, you can say, that simple manometer already I have discussed. So for 5 marks question, you can learn about the simple manometer actually. So they may ask you that how you can establish the difference of pressure by mean of simple manometer. So you have to, at least you have to go through, means you have to prove up to delta P, that is pressure difference. Okay. Then they may ask you for short question also, and for brief note also. Reynolds number. So what do you mean by Reynolds number? Or give the equation of Reynolds number. Okay. Then what will be the nature of your flow as per Reynolds number? So if RE is less than 2100, the flow is said to be laminar. RE is greater than 4000, the flow is said to be turbulent. So if RE lies between 2100 to 4000, the fluid changes from laminar to turbulent. So what are the applications? So a brief note also, when it comes, you have to write all those equations, applications and numbers. Okay. Then we will go for Bernoulli's theorem. Already I have discussed and I have written all those things. So it is very important for 5 marks or 10 marks question also. Bernoulli's equation. So you have to prove that equation. Already we have proved already this equation. Okay. So you have to give up to equation 23. That is actually you have to prove up to 23. And what is the value? Why is the value of F is minus and W is plus? So what do you mean by these things? You have to give. And in short question sometimes it will come that give 2 application of Bernoulli's theorem. So these are the applications actually they have given. 3 applications they have given. Give a short note on energy losses. In energy losses, there are different types: frictional loss, losses in fitting, enlargement losses, contraction losses. So I have already discussed about these all, that by what actually equation the frictional losses can be calculated. And fractional losses, then losses in fittings, how it is calculated. See, roughness factor, what are the condition of pipe and roughness factor. Okay. So losses in fitting, what type? I have actually already discussed in classes. Enlargement losses. So what is the difference between orifice meter and venturi meter? Orifice meter and venturi meter. So what is the difference between orifice meter and venturi meter? So that is very, very important for 5 marks question. And they may ask you that what are the principle and working. Rotameter, they may ask you about the rotameter. So how it works and what is the principle of rotameter. That's all. Let's move to filtration part. Questions of filtration, that is chapter 10. So what is the difference between clarification and filtration? So they may ask you for short question, what is the difference between, what are the applications of filtration, what are the mechanism of filtration? So there may be actually for, it is important for 5 marks question. And what do you mean by surface and depth filtration? What is the difference between surface and depth filtration? It is important for 2 marks question or 5 marks question also. If 5 marks means this table you have to write it. 2 marks means actually 2 points if you are writing, it is enough. Example, right? Definition, right? That's all. Then theory of filtration. In theory of filtration, just you go through different equations. Suppose Poiseuille's equation, that is for sectional. Darcy, what do you mean by Darcy's equation? Kozenski-Karman equation. So that is important for 2 marks question. Give short note on filter rate. It is very important. But it is easy also. Filter rates. You just see this classification for short question. Plate and frame filter. Give a short note on plate and frame filter. For session L, I am telling, okay. And filtration, separation. This question is very important. This filtration. Give a brief note on filtration operation, or how actually the filtration is being operated in plate and frame filter. This thing you have to give this thing. And then what do you mean by filter leaf? What are the principle? Give brief note on filter leaf, 5 marks. Suppose meta filter, 5 marks. Question may come. This is only for sessional point of view. See, for filtration, now I have given very less question, so that is not for final, but for sessional point of view only. Okay, so just see what I have given for sessional point of view.